Welcome to the full moon ceremony of October 2023. Today we come together to celebrate our becoming, to celebrate the getting ready for the next season of your life, of your path here now. And in today's ceremony, the intention for you is if you are at that place and you're ready to jump a whole new timeline, to open up to a whole new expensive version of you, the one that knows, that is abundant, that is joyous, that is so fully holy here now. And that is the intention for you. At this time, I invite you to take your glasses off, get yourself comfortable, lay down if you can, and join me on this beautiful, gorgeous energy ceremony as we come together on a full moon like this. The power of our intention is quantified. So anything that you choose to shift, to transform, becomes more likely when you focus on that intention on a full moon. And for today, let's remember the pureness of our essence, that pure divine part that is within every single one of us, that somehow, some way we had forgot along the way. So let's go deep, 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 deep inside of you. However you can imagine it, sense it, feel it. Imagine yourself going all the way to the center point of you, inside of you. Some of my visuals are probably seeing the organs or maybe the size of the molecules. Others might sense the sensation of this warmth, of this expansive energy inside you. And some of you who are still fighting your thoughts, that is okay. Play and go deep, deep, deep inside of you. And from that place, imagine that you're a magician, that you have the magic wand to shift anything within your body. See the magic wand in your hand. And with the utmost playfulness, begin touching every organ of your body with that wand. And notice that by every touch, the organ becomes healthier, stronger, more aligned with the best version of you. So go ahead and visit every organ in your body and give yourself the biggest gift for you. And notice with every touch of the wand, the organ coming to life, being more vibrant, stronger, healthier, for the best of you. With every touch, every organ recalibrates at its fullest potential of functioning for you. You are the magician of your life. Feel every part of your body becoming lighter, more at peace with all that you are and do. And this full moon, you have the option to jump a whole new timeline. So if you were a certain version of you, living a certain life, having certain beliefs and ideas of what is right and what is not right, you have the option to jump into a whole new timeline. A whole new version of you. What would you choose to be and do? How would you choose to show up for yourself and others? How will you celebrate every moment? This life, this abundance. What do you choose to be tomorrow? Starting now. Feel this new version of you taking hold in front of you. The most vibrant, most beautiful, most wise, most gifted version of you. Standing right in front of you. Will you welcome this version home? And if every part of your body is saying, yes, I am ready for this version of me. And then choose to step into this version now. Choose to step into your future, into this ecstasy. And don't worry about the how, the when, the what. Simply allow yourself to be the utmost, the best version of you that you could be. Jump into it now. Jump into it now. Jump into it now. and integrate all the parts of you, shortening the bridge from where you are and where you choose to be, becoming one with the future best version of you now. On this full moon filled with mystical powers, you are jumping a whole new timeline to the best version of you. I love you, adore you, hug you, envelop in all that you are, the best version of you that you could be. Welcome it home into the wholeness of who you be. A pure light being in the physical body. If the magician, a part of you, has completed upgrading every organ of your body, well, let's move outside of your body. Let's rejuvenate your skin, the biggest organ of your body. And the skin is the first to show all that is right or not right inside of you. You are the magician of you. You have the magic wand. You are the best version of yourself. You have jumped in your highest timeline. Let's ask the angels, the council, to erase other timelines, aligning you with the best for you, for all. Rejoice into getting to know this whole new version of you. Fall in love with you. And on this full moon celebration, do something for you. Something that brings you such deep pleasure, such ecstasy, such full acceptance and love for you. Your angels, your entire consult team is asking you to love you, to do something magical for you. Please your body, please your heart, please your soul, and give yourself the biggest gift that brings you to pure divine ecstasy. Fall in love with all of you. You are the best version of you. Enjoy the mystical powers of this full moon and bathe under its light. Today and tomorrow. And open your arms to receive the love, the abundance, the joy that is for you. Love you. You can choose to remain in this beautiful energy and continue to being the magician for your body, for all of you. Where you can open your eyes and continue your beautiful day of being the best version of you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do this now, as we will share many channelings in the week to come, all for you. Until the next time, love to you.